Something dark is moving in the galaxy. I can feel it.
Commander, unknown ships are entering our border zone at high speed.
Alert all Cat Fleet units! Prepare for battle immediately!
Sir, is this really going to be a war? Yes, brother. But we will fight together and protect our home. Together, we will protect our home.
All stations, battle mode! Everyone to your positions! Enemy fleet detected! Visual confirmation on main screen! Confirmed they're in Sector 7, closing car!
All stations, full alert! Scramble interceptors!
Weapons hot! At last the cats are within our grasp.
Commander, these are monkey warships.
Then our true enemy has finally revealed itself.
Surrender now, little cats, and I may spare your weak planet.
We bow to no tyrant. We fight with honor.
Then prepare to be erased from history.
Enemy weapons charging! Plasma cannons detected! Enemy weapons charging! Plasma cannons detected! Enemy weapons charging! Plasma cannons detected!
Raise shields to maximum and return fire immediately! Target locked! Big 5 snap! Catch lock! For the Cat Galaxy! For our families! Laugh less than stand dust! Yeah, dust!
Commander, shield power is falling fast!
Do not retreat! Hold the battle line! The station is breaking apart! Thanks, more! Evacuate all civilians now! No one stays behind!
Mom! Please answer me! Papa!
Stay close, little one. I won't leave you.
Destroy everything! Leave nothing alive! Destroy everything! Leave nothing alive! Hold this corridor! Do not let them pass! Your walls mean nothing to us, furballs.
We are not afraid of you! Commander, we are surrounded!
Then we fight in every direction!
Increase pressure. Crush their spirit. Yes, Supreme Leader.
Last evacuation ships are ready! Move! Move! Get on board! We're out of time! Get on by!
We're losing our big hope. We will build a stronger one.
Run while you can. I will hunt you.
You fought bravely.
Will we win someday, sir? Maybe after we will, son.
Hold on.
Leo, do you promise?
Yes, I promise.
Follow me. There is something you must see. Is that the Star Claw cannon? It was banned because of its power.
Then we will use it responsibly.
Crystallian planet coordinates confirmed.
Prepare an expedition team at once. Right away, Leo! We're
On it!
Stay alert. Crystallian is not friendly.
Extreme energy storms detected around the planet.
Entering atmosphere now. Hold tight. Stay close. Do not separate.
Whoa, look at these crystals. They're floating.
This is incredible. They're lighting the whole cave. This must be the heart of the cave. The map was right.
These are the energy cores we need!
Handle them gently.
Enemy ships overhead!
Surround them. Leave no escape.
They followed us!
All units, defensive retreat formation!
They Cover the crystal carriers! Ice tower tapping.
Hunt them down! Form up! Circle formation! Copy that! Moving in! Lasers hot! Firing now! Keep it tight! Pour it on!
Aim for the weak spots near its core! It's charging at us! It's charging at us!
Now! We did it.
More life forms detected nearby. Stay close. Do not separate.
Look! The crystals are glowing!
They're beautiful. The cat let us write to them.
These are the energy cores we need!
Handle them gently.
Enemy ships ahead!
Surround them. Leave no escape.
They followed us!
All units, defensive retreat formation. Hunt them down!
I've got you! There you go. All better now.
Medic! Fall back! To the ships!
Do not let them escape!
Engines warming up! Roger that! Systems green! Full throttle! Let's go! Let's go! Go!
Crystal secured. Load now! Cargo secure. Ready for extraction.
All teams board immediately! Faster! We launch in 10!
Commander, Rico is missing!
I'm going after him! Rico, answer me! Rico, where are you? Rico, I'm coming! Answer me! Hold on, I've got you.
I knew you'd come.
Jump now! Curse you, cats! We made it. For now.
The crystals are unstable. One wrong move and they could explode.
We can't let them fall into monkey hands!
Exactly. Every crystal counts for our victory.
They escaped, but not for long. His generals bow and answer. We'll track them down, Supreme Leader. Do not fail me.
It's been too close. Copy that. Let's get this secured. We survived today, but tomorrow we strike back.
We can use these crystals to fully power it. So this is the ultimate weapon.
It is our last hope to defeat Zarok.
Commander, the maps of the monkey capital. Coordinates confirmed.
Excellent work, scouts.
Prepare the fleet. We attack at dawn.
We need to sync all crystals. Even a slight error. Copy that.
Rerouting power to Sector 3.
It's not stable. Compensating now. Careful. It's critical.
Almost there.
The anomaly in the nebula is expanding. We have to act. Could cost us the galaxy. I know. You know? How? I've seen the patterns. Trust me.
I won't fail this time.
I won't fail this time.
We fight as one. Remember, courage is our greatest weapon.
Prepare the defenses. Cats will regret today.
All systems online, Supreme Leader. Excellent. Hold the line.
Tomorrow, we bring the fight to them.
Our fleet is ready, just waiting on your command.
I'm ready, Commander. Let's finish this.
All units, turrets! Tonight we take the fight to the monkeys! Form attack lines! We strike fast and precise!
All systems stable. Crystals fully charged.
Focus. Target their defenses first.
All plasma turrets! Stop them before they reach the city! Hey, third! Don't let it advance!
No cat shall survive today! Engines online! Launch sequence initiated! We'll protect the galaxy! You got it! Keep moving! We'll take the galaxy!
Take down that turret! Fire!
We cannot fail now! No! Shoot him down! Got one! Keep firing! This is too much fun!
Not today, monkeys.
Push forward! Protect the crystal cores! Push forward! Protect the crystal cores!
Luna, lock on the central tower. Full power.
They dare touch my palace? Fire everything! Hold formation! Hold formation! Hold me!
Charging?
Impossible! Shield generator's failing!
Pilots, proceed to the next sector. Yes, Commander.
Whoa! The cat's ball!
Good job, Kitty.
Protect the leader! Protect Sarah! Protect Sarah! Protect them! Can't they fear? This ends here, Zarok. You dare enter my palace? I dare to end your tyranny. Stop them at all costs! Yes, General! Charge for victory! You shall not pass! Fight on, Big Man!
We won't let them reach you, Commander! Targeting monkey squads. Now!
You will fall, cats! Take them down!
We fight together!
For our galaxy! Every chance counts! Every chance! Every strike counts! You're persistent! Too persistent!
Cannon fully charged. Ready to fire!
All units, brace for the final strike. Copy that, Leo. Standing by.
On my mark.
Shield's failing! We can't hold! Diverting Palthar! It's not enough! We're gonna put it now! Systems glitch! We can't hold! Shield's failing! We can't hold! No! Impossible! Now, Commander! This ends now! Protect the Supreme Leader! Protect the leader! Keep moving! Protect the Supreme Leader! This way! Protect the Supreme Leader!
Energy shields collapsing. Now is your chance! Move back! Move back! Ah!
For freedom! This cannot be!
It's over, Zarok. Your reign ends today.
We did it. The city is safe. Their sacrifice saved the galaxy, but their sacrifice saved the galaxy. We will guard this peace always.
For the fallen! For the fallen! For the galaxy! For the galaxy!
We remember their courage. Their bravery will never be forgotten.
Our duty continues.
The galaxy will sleep safely tonight.
Yes, but vigilance never ends.
Always ready.
And the brave cats saved us all.
Do you think Zarok will return?
Not while we stand united.
All right, cadets, strategy is key. Observe before you act.
Observe and plan. Got it.
What about courage?
Courage is acting despite fear. Watch this.
Whoa, I can do that.
No glory without responsibility.
The galaxy rests, at least for now.